Hello everybody, so I've been to salon today and this is my nail polish. So it's not a sponsored video, but my nail polish is from my friend. So my friend, one of my followers who sponsor all of my nail colors, any gasoline like that. So I have subscribers who help me out for that. And if you want to help me out for that, just go to the longer videos in the description down below. There's a PayPal account. Any amount would help for me to continue my driving videos. So well, anyway, for now we're gonna drive with this using these red heels, and I'm going to City Hardware to buy some lights for my garage. So I have my cell phone here, and I have to check if it's all good. Yes, that's my day. I went to the salon today, and we're gonna use lights, blinker left, and then video. For now is reverse. We're going to reverse from park, foot brake, park, reverse, handbrake down, blinker left. Then you have to look first before you reverse. Do not reverse then look, because there are some bikes or people are walking at the back, for just want to make sure. It's up. Wait, so I had to start. Oh my gosh, I did not start the car yet. So reverse, I was thinking, how come it's not reversing? So I'm the one who make mistakes with my own tutorial and tips. So all is good. I experienced once, I look around and see there's people behind me just right on time, so I stop and look. Do not just reverse very fast, especially here in the Philippines, because some people don't really know what you're doing, even though you use the blinker because of the seminar, that kind of things. Or they just don't have cars, so we don't really know. If we don't have cars, so we don't know what you are doing in the roads if you have cars. And for the people who don't have cars or vehicles, they don't know what you are doing. So you always have to be careful in driving and crossing the street, and especially reversing, because there's sometimes suddenly that people is walking behind you, even though you use the blinker, and even though you just drive very slowly, just want to pass you there behind. And then my tips for that is you always look and reverse very slow, especially when you are in the city, because there are tricycle driver like that one tricycle. They just park behind your car even though you're using blinkers. So sometimes there are drivers that don't really know what are the cars doing, so you have to be careful for that, and be sure that you just have to look first. Even though you're looking at first and nobody's behind you, suddenly there's it happens to me, suddenly there's tricycle driver just parked behind me, then my car is already moving, and I keep looking, there's nobody there, and it just parked. And I'm glad I was just driving very slow, so damage is not that strong, bad, so less damage. So that's why driving here in the Philippines is really need a lot of attention in the road. And it happened one time, like it's my neighbor, not really close to my place, but we call it neighbor, like near barangays. So there's a car, and then there was these parents that are not really careful with their kids. So in the car doing reverse, the kids behind. So even though you look for that, you cannot see the kids, especially when you're using a big car. So the kids really patay for that. So it's too bad. So that's why we have to be careful. We have to look first, and even though we look, keep on looking behind you. So just drive very slow, or reverse very slow, because we don't know that there are people just walking behind us in the car. So that's my tips for how to reverse here in the Philippines. There are drivers that they just try reverse first before you look. So you have to look first and keep on looking while you are in the spot for driving. So now we are here in the City Hardware and I have to look for lights. No cars parking. No parking. No parking. There's no car park, so it means that there's people here. So now we're here in the City Hardware. We're gonna look there. Come with me, and of course, let's go. So I'm looking for lights. Dan ako ng surprise ba?
Dua na
and people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.